What if I told you that the future isn't just coming? It's already here? Welcome to the world of DeepSeek V3, where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a partner in our daily lives. Imagine waking up to an AI that knows you better than you know yourself. That's DeepSeek V3. It's planning your day, finding the fastest route to work, and making sure your favorite latte is waiting for you. But that's just the beginning. In labs across the globe, researchers are unlocking the secrets of the universe with DeepSeek V3 by their side. It's crunching numbers, spotting patterns, and making breakthrough discoveries in seconds. And for the creative souls among us, DeepSeek V3 is composing symphonies, turning blank canvases into masterpieces, and bringing imagination to life. But let's zoom in on how DeepSeek V3 is changing our everyday world. Picture a family planning their dream vacation. DeepSeek V3 isn't just booking flights. It's crafting the perfect itinerary based on their unique preferences. For students burning the midnight oil, it's not just a study buddy, it's a personal tutor, adapting to their learning style and pushing them to excel. And for the entrepreneurs out there, DeepSeek V3 is like having a team of experts in your pocket. It's managing inventory, predicting market trends, and connecting with customers in ways we never thought possible. But the real magic happens when DeepSeek V3 meets untapped potential. In remote villages, young minds are learning to code, guided by an AI that never tires and always encourages. In classrooms, students are running virtual experiments that were once only possible in high-tech labs. And professionals? They're mastering new skills in record time, with DeepSeek V3 as their round-the-clock mentor. The creative world is experiencing a renaissance, too. Filmmakers are bringing impossible scenes to life, game developers are crafting immersive worlds, and writers are weaving tales that transcend language barriers, all with DeepSeek V3 as their co-creator. But DeepSeek V3 isn't just changing lives, it's saving them. Doctors in far-flung corners of the world are diagnosing diseases with pinpoint accuracy. Climate scientists are modeling solutions to global warming. And in times of crisis, aid workers are coordinating relief efforts with unprecedented efficiency. This isn't science fiction. This is DeepSeek V3. It's redefining what's possible, pushing the boundaries of human potential, and ushering in an era where intelligence knows no limits. Welcome to the future. It's brighter than we ever imagined.